Hey, how are you doing today? Today, I've got a quick, short little video that might not be super exciting to you, but is super exciting to me. So I'm going to do an unboxing. I know, right? I don't usually do unboxings. It's not sort of a thing that I do, but this is my Christmas present from Howard. And it got here quite a bit after Christmas. It took a while to get. But I thought that you might want to see it with me for the first time. So let's open the box. Don't be boring. And while I am creating my creative space, I want it to be anything but boring. So everything I'm doing is loud and audacious and bold, like this box. My goodness, what could possibly be in this box? This is a big freaking box. A box full of bold, a box full of exciting. This is not boring. Ladies, get your weapon of choice. Oh, I don't know where to start. Really doesn't matter. Now, I probably won't be able to get this out of the box because I'm still going through stuff with my right arm. So I'm just gonna open it and expose it, and then when Howard gets here, he'll help me take it out. This thing better not be beige. I wonder if I get on the other side of it and I just give it a push, if it'll kind of like flop over. Let's find out. It doesn't have feet on it yet. Comfortable. We can never get it open. There's a zippered compartment on the bottom. I have to show you this. It's so weird. Okay, like there's this little zippered flap on the bottom, and here are the feet, the hardware for it, sort of like tucked inside in this little loop. It's rather bizarre, and apparently, like, I now have a place to stash things in my sofa. That's just weird. Okay. By now we know it is definitely not beige. Before I ever ordered this sofa, or selected the sofa that Howard ordered, I asked for a sample of fabric, and the sample is actually a little less, it's a little darker than the actual fabric. But that's fine. I don't mind that. But I wanted to make sure that it went with the mural. And I know it's way different from the predominantly red, but I really wanted to play up the blues and the pinks and the purples. So I really wanted something that accented all of my favorite colors. So I actually like this pink a little bit more than this pink, so I'm so excited. A place to sit down, yay. And you're only going to see the back of it right at first because it's backwards and I do not have the ability to turn it all around yet. Oh my gosh, it is so pretty. Wow. Yes, I have a hot pink velvet sofa. How cool is that? Oh my gosh. And it comes with pillows. And this is where I can sit when I'm editing down here, when I'm like hanging out. This is my creative space. I can't wait for Howard to get home so we can put the feet on it and put it in its right place and show you where it belongs. Because you're looking at it completely backwards right now, but oh, it's so beautiful. It is so beautiful. I know this is not something that you'd really want in your home. It's total like fantasy. I mean, some people will want it in their home. I might be one of them, but Howard could not. He does not want a hot pink sofa in his home. But downstairs in my space, I can do whatever I want, and I am creating just my ultimate fantasy room. Just a place where I can hang out and visit with my friends and just be me, be bold, be audacious. That is my New Year's resolution for 2021. Be bold, be audacious. So many times I was taught growing up that we needed to make resolutions that said, I'm gonna eat better, I'm gonna eat healthier, I'm gonna drink more water, I'm gonna exercise more, and all those things are valid and you should do all of those. But sometimes I think to just pick a word and make it that simple. In 2015, when I cut all my hair off and went gray for the first time, I had as my not quite New Year's resolution, it was almost more of a birthday resolution when I turned 50, I made it my goal to be fabulous. And I didn't even know what that was. And then I started doing YouTube. And I don't know that I was being fabulous, but I was sure having fun. But I've always felt like it's been waiting for me to have this space to really create. So I've spent all this time putting this together. And in 2021, let's be bold. Let's be fabulous. Let's be audacious. Let's be anything but boring. Because life is short. Be audacious. Clear lucite feet. How fun is that? That is so me. so amazing. Thank you, honey. So my first video of 2021 is a big unboxing. What do you think? I am pleased as punch in case you can't tell. Very excited, very happy, and now I just have a few more pieces left to go and a lot of cardboard to haul out, and we are getting the studio underway. And whatever you're doing this year, be bold, be audacious, be 100% authentically yourself, whatever that means. This might be a bit much for some people. I might be a bit much for some people. I love you bunches. I hope you have an awesome rest of your day, and I will be seeing so much more of you very soon. Oh, it's long, definitely long enough to sleep on.
Are you sure?
Well, for me.
Will I fit on there too?
You'll fit on here too.